Do you have a ton of PLR content just sitting around collecting digital dust? If you do, or even if you don't really, this is something you need to know about. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of the PLR Setup Masterclass. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. You can go ahead and skip ahead because my jokes, they're really bad. I know. Even dads would probably be embarrassed to tell my dad jokes, but they're my jokes, so I like them, so I tell them anyway. So there you go. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's that you don't know a bunch of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman, that guy, he drives me crazy, along with Bart and the other crazy guy who likes crap. Anyway, seriously, if you're into the channel, make these work here. If I like Bart, I will give a tip, and that's about it. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a live videos about love mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. You see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. She says the same thing every single day, but who can get angry at such a sweet person? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thanks to subscribe. Doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the PLR Setup Masterclass. And I actually purchased a copy of this, by the way, last night. I meant to make this video last night. I was actually not feeling well. As regular viewers of the channel know, I recently bought a house a few months back. And because the weather's now nice, I was actually out in our yard pruning weeds and planting stuff in the greenhouse and all kind of other stuff. And it was super hot yesterday, and I guess I got dehydrated. So I finally bought a copy of this for myself around 9 or 10 o'clock at night and sent an email, and it was like, I can't focus on making a video right now. So yeah, that happens. You know, you become a homeowner and you always have projects to do, but there you go. But seriously, if you're a business owner, or even if you want to be a business owner, one of the parts you're going to have to do is actually rebranding your PLR. PLR, for those who don't know, stands for private label rights. It means content that you actually have the right to sell, give away, use as a bonus, whatever you want to do with it. And basically, that's what we have here with the PLR Setup Masterclass. You actually get PLR rights to this product. So you can actually sell it, give away, use it as a bonus, basically whatever you want with it. You can put your own name on it as well. Now, before we take a look at the members area, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, because I always have the best custom bonuses around. So first of all, these are video courses. So video course is a little bit different than your typical PLR. A lot of PLR is actually an ebook. When it's video courses, you're going to want to rebrand it by putting in your own logo. Now, if you don't have a logo, I'm going to give you 300 logos that you can actually use to get started on rebranding these. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I'm also going to show you how to create a membership site, because I think that that's probably one of the best uses of PLR content, is to create a membership site. You can actually sell stuff with it. Plus, on top of that, I'm going to give you 5 courses on with full PLR rights. You can sell them, get them away, use them as a bonus, whatever you like. Okay, plus I'm also going to show you my secret to finding high quality domain names. So this is really, really important, by the way. A lot of people discount this and say, oh, Eric, what's the big deal? I can find a domain name. I can just go to Namecheap or GoDaddy and find a domain name. Sure you can. Absolutely you can. Now, I want to tell you something. I've been working on a brand new project called Email Success Secrets 2.0. It's a follow-up to my course on email from a few years ago. One of the things that I have learned about this is that you really do need to try to find an age domain. What does that mean? Age domain, basically what that means is that the domain name is actually older and has some authority to it. It's not just a matter of SEO, which basically means getting love from Google, but even just getting your emails into the inbox, it makes a difference how old your domain is. So the older your domain is, the more likely you are to actually be able to get your emails into the inbox. It's a weird thing that Google and Microsoft, who are the two big players in email, have started. So I really want to share that with you as well. So you're going to go all that, and I want to tell you, by the way, the price is ridiculous. Check this out, $7.70. Okay, when do you get all this for $7.70? All right, that is just an utterly insane price. Now, I'm going to show you the members area real quick over here. And I'm going to show you, by the way, that I did purchase this myself. I'm not making this up. I bought it. It is, by the way, in a dime sale. Let me show that to you right now, actually. Let's go over here to Warrior Plus. You can see here, PLR to the Masterclass. When I bought it, it was $37.38. It has gone up in price, okay, since I bought it, but it is still a very good price at $7.70. Again, you're getting all of my bonuses included with that price tag. And you can see here that you basically get to download everything off of their website. You're going to get the entire package. You can also watch all the videos here, exactly what to do. And of course, again, you're going to get from me my course on membership sites in about an hour. Plus, you're going to get 300 logos that you can go ahead and customize for your own business completely, totally for free. Plus, I'm going to show you how to get an aged domain name for a super cheap price. And that is all part of my bonus. Plus, I'm going to give you 5 additional courses with full PLR rights. You can actually use those as part of membership site as well, to just rebrand and use them again, in addition to everything else that you're getting from me. So let's see if I am going to give it a tip as the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this. This is a great product. Charles makes some of the best PLR I've seen, and I am super impressed with this stuff. Grab this one, you're going to love it.